Alright, I bought this pipe some time ago. Either the socket is gonna break or something is gonna break. But my hand is not gonna hurt. Okay, I felt a little pop or something. I don't know what that was, but hey, it's bolt, it's turning. Hey, this little pipe came in handy. I was gonna throw it away the other day. Alright, I need to unhook this oxygen sensor cable so I can spin it all the way. So I guess we pull up on this ratchet here and it should pop out. Yep, it popped out. So now this can spin around however many times it need to. It's getting tight. It's getting tight. It's gonna break. I'm gonna end up replacing the damn oxygen exhaust manifold anyway. Yeah, it's trying to freeze up. Well guys, it went ahead and galled up the threads. You know, I was thinking about changing the oxygen sensor anyway. So I guess when the exhaust manifold was out, I would rethread it. Or I might have to just buy another exhaust manifold. I bought this light some time ago, but you can't aim it. When it's on the hood, that light is turned like that and it don't shine down that well. And there's no way to aim it down like this. But I realized today if you lay it on the motor, it gives you pretty much all the light you need. So I got to take this one, that one back there, and the one on the bottom side of the oxygen sensor, and I got to jack it up and take the exhaust manifold bolts off. So that's what we're going to do next. Oh damn, I already took that loose. Alright, think I can break this with that? Probably not. I don't believe it. Yeah, it wasn't tight. I just knew that was gonna be fruitless. Hell, it wasn't even tight. So now, can we go to the back one and get lucky again? That's what I was talking about. Can't see. Well guys, I tried to use the ratchet, the electric ratchet thing, son of a bee, and that wasn't strong enough to break that one loose. And I think I have a magnet. Always keep your damn magnet because stuff is going to fall. Here it is. And sometimes the stuff will not fall to the bottom like it should. Okay, y'all see that? Is it gonna fall? Look at that, look at that, look at that. Boy, look at that. We're gonna try that again with the damn ratchet. And this light is not good enough. To help. Yeah. Actually, it did. Oh, you can't see that, can you? Can you see that? Okay, let's adjust this a little bit. That might help. That might help. Alright, it's a matter of I can't hold it. I got to can't hold this light. And I can't hold this camera. Guys, I might have to be buying a damn exhaust manifold anyway. Cause I bet you if I don't put that in, it's gonna make some noise. I think all of them is out now. Let's see if we can get it off. First, let me get this out. I took a screwdriver, put it in there, and hit it with a hammer, and she came out. Alright. Is there another one? Is there another one? I'm feeling for it. Is there another one? Nope, there's not another one. Okay, I'm gonna have to take that bolt loose, and I might be able to get it to come out then. Yeah, I'm gonna take that bolt loose. Look like a 10 millimeter. Damn, man, you know what? This hood is getting on my nerves. This freaking hood keep hitting me in my head. So we got to get it to go up higher. Too damn tall, man. Is that gonna work? Is that gonna work? You know what? I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. So I'm gonna tie that up some kind of way to this ceiling. I don't like that at all. I mean, it seems like it wants to hold, but I'm still gonna tie that up some kind of way. Oh, I know what. I know what. All right, my hood light, I hadn't used it in quite some time, so the damn battery went dead. So I'm going back to using this light. And once again, it screws in an awkward spot. Damn. GM and a long ass screws. All right, is it coming off now? GM and a long ass screws. Now, you telling me, now you pull this off, you can't get this past this because that's some bull, man, that is some bull stuff there, man. You gonna put the damn thing, you're gonna put the damn thing where you can't get it off. All right, so we got that off, and we're gonna bend this up a little bit, but you can't bend it up much. Find something to put up in there. I'm gonna try this. All right, so now you got another screw that holds the damn dipstick. Ain't that a B? Another 10 millimeter. Now see what the man said. He gonna need 2 hands to get this out. I got the damn thing out, and I think I see where the exhaust leak is coming from. I think it's coming from right there, but I'm gonna crank it up, and I think I can crank it up without hurting anything. I think crank it up and see can I hear anything coming out. What I smelt, I think, was this right here burning. I think that's what I smelt. It look kind of, yeah, I think that's what I smelt. That burning smell. It sort of smells like this. So I'm gonna crank the car up, and I think I'm gonna hear the exhaust leak. I think. I'll let y'all know. You know, I wasn't able to hear the leak because I forgot the damn oxygen sensor has been removed, and that is also missing. I couldn't tell whether or not this thing was leaking, but I got a feeling it needs another exhaust manifold. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy another exhaust manifold. But I'm gonna crank it up and see, let y'all hear it. Loud, ain't it? So now we're gonna try to get the exhaust. Well, first of all, I'm gonna probably jack it up and take the bolts out the bottom, and then I will take the exhaust manifold bolts off, and hopefully don't end up round off and strip or whatever. But I damn sure thought I was leaking from that. And that exhaust manifold is hot. It's really hot. But yeah, I'm gonna have to order exhaust manifold because that bolt broke off in the back. I could probably drill it out, but these exhaust manifolds are cheap, and they're cheap. So let me jack it up and take those 3 bolts off the bottom. I'm glad I sprayed some WD-40 on them yesterday. Oh, also I gotta close the damn hood, otherwise I'm gonna crash into the damn stop. I got all 3 bolts out, but one of them fell, and it didn't fall all the way to the floor, and I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh well. Maybe I'll find it later, or I'll just have to get another one. So I guess we got 1 bolt there, bolt there. I can't see all the damn bolts. But I didn't film it because it got on my damn nerve, but that bolt down in there, the very first bolt, at least I think that's the first bolt, it was tight, damn near all the way out. I could not use my electric impact wrench, and that hose here and this thing here, this I think it's the camshaft actuator, solenoid, whatever, was in my way. But finally I remember I have a 13 millimeter swivel, and I was able to use it, but only because it wasn't a whole lot of weight on it. If there was a lot of weight, I wouldn't have been able to use it. But now we're gonna start with the second bolt, and again I'm not gonna film it and watch my neighbor blow his horn. What? He didn't blow his horn. He used to irritate the hell out of me because he blew it too damn long. Anyway, let me start this 13 millimeter. I don't know. There's nowhere I can put the camera for y'all to see. I'm sorry. No, I don't know where I can put it. Guys, I want to tell you something. The bolts on here were not that tight. I mean, they were, some of them were tight, but the back ones were not that tight. The very back one was not tight at all. I mean, it was tight, but it wasn't as tight as you would think it would be. So far, I haven't broke one off. It just, they stay stiff, like they got Loctite on them. Damn near from the beginning to the end, they're stiff. I can't, I guess I could put the camera here. This one is starting to get loose. I wonder, can I use my power ratchet? And I gotta change batteries. I mean, I gotta change flashlight because this one is about to go. I dropped one of the very back bolt. It dropped. I'm surprised. I just knew they was gonna be real tight, but they really wasn't. Am I gonna reuse these? I'm hoping they come, if I get a new manifold, it'll come with new bolts. I'm hoping. But if not, I may see gonna buy some new ones. But anyway, I'm gonna change batteries and I will start the video when I get ready to take the thing off. All right, guys, this is what I don't know if you call this smart or lazy, but either way, it's easy for me to stand up like this. I'm not trying to break it, it's already broke loose. It's a bitch to turn. Not trying to jam up on me. Yeah, I tried to give it as straight a shot as I could. It don't like it. Yeah, it's bounding up. I'm breaking it. I'm damaging my damn thing like this. I think I already messed it up. Knew that was too damn good to be true. Yep, I knew that was too good to be true. See, can I bag it out? It's in the bind now. The bolt. Like the bolt is trying to script on me. Come on. That was too good to be true. I guess I have to go back to the 13mm and the extension. I swear the damn bolts feel like they got Loctite on them. And I can't do it with this ratchet. I have to have that long ratchet. Gotta have some leverage to turn it. And this is what been getting on my freaking nerve. And I wished I had that freaking they claim they got an impact ratchet that turn 90 degrees. I wish I had that sucker. Maybe I could it would work. The video I watched, the guy used the freaking impact wrench on it. I see why. Damn bolts. You know, most exhaust manifold bolts, you know, they be kind of tight, but once you get them loose, oh, by the way, this one was pretty tight, and the one before this was pretty tight. Once you get them loose, they spin out like a regular boat. Not these suckers, they spin out like they goddamn Loctite on them. I'm glad I started from the back. Got the couple ones up front. I figure the ones in the middle will be the easiest. Now it seemed like you could use the ratchet, but you can't. It's gonna be ain't enough torque. See? Ain't enough torque. Oh boy, I would never do this for nobody else. I don't mess with other people's exhaust manifolds. I ain't in the mood for trying to drill out bolts and all that crap. I think I got 3 more to go after this, but they're all in the middle. Damn, man. Sweating like a freaking runaway slave. I took the fan off because it was making me damn cold from all this sweating. Man, come on, dude. Then the damn bolts want to hang up when you pull them out. Freaking hang up when you pull them out. Man,